What if I told you that staying poor isn't always about how much money you earn? Sometimes it's about the habits you repeat every single day. Most people never notice these habits because they seem normal, but over time, they quietly destroy your financial future. Today, we're looking at the 5 money habits that keep millions of people stuck. And the fifth one might be the most dangerous of all. Habit number 1: spending before saving. Most people wait until the end of the month to save whatever money is left. The problem? There's usually nothing left. Bills arrive, unexpected expenses happen, impulse purchases add up, and saving gets pushed to next month. Wealthy people do the opposite. They save first, even if it's a small amount. Then they live on what's left. It's a simple change. But over many years, it creates a completely different financial future. Habit number 2: trying to look rich, a new phone, designer clothes, luxury cars, expensive vacations. Many people buy these things to impress others. But the truth is, most people are too busy worrying about their own lives to notice. Looking rich and being rich are two completely different things. Real wealth is often invisible. It's found in investments, savings, businesses, assets that quietly grow while nobody is watching. Habit number 3: ignoring financial education. School teaches us math, science, history, but very few people are taught how money actually works, how to budget, how to invest, how compound growth builds wealth. Without financial education, earning more money often leads to making bigger financial mistakes. Learning just one new money lesson every week can completely change your future over time. Knowledge is one investment nobody can take away from you. Habit number 4: living for today. It's easy to think, I'll start saving next year. I'll invest when I earn more. But tomorrow has a habit of becoming next year, and next year becomes 10 years. Meanwhile, time keeps moving. Compound growth rewards people who start early, not people who wait for the perfect moment. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Habit number 5: believing someone else will save you. Some people wait for a promotion, a better job, winning the lottery, an inheritance, or the perfect investment opportunity. But financial freedom rarely arrives by accident. It comes from thousands of small decisions: saving consistently, spending wisely, investing patiently, learning continuously. No one else can build your future for you. Only you can. Here's the truth: wealth isn't created by one lucky moment. It's created by daily habits repeated for years. The person who saves a little every month often ends up wealthier than the person who earns twice as much but spends everything. Success with money isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Every dollar you earn gives you a choice. Spend it to impress people today, or invest it to create freedom tomorrow. The decision seems small, but over 20 years, those small choices become enormous. So tonight, before you spend your next dollar, ask yourself one simple question: is this helping me build the life I want? Or is it simply making today feel better? Because the habits you practice today will become the financial life you live tomorrow. Start changing one habit today, and your future self will thank you for it.